Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off automatically install security responses and system files on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in Settings, scroll down, and in here, tap on General. Next, tap on Software Update. Then tap on Automatic Updates and go down to the Automatically Install section and tap on Security Responses and System Files. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. Now set that automatically install iOS software updates when this phone is connected to Wi-Fi, charging, and locked. This will also allow the device to automatically install any security responses or system files. And that's it. After that, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.